Hello, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to import skins with SkinMaster. For these skins, you just have to go on Minecraft, dressing room, classic skins, and you're gonna choose a pack on the owned, from the owned section, that you want to swap with a custom one, like this one in this case. So in this case I'm gonna use Croco Island because it's the second one and it's easier to reach, to reach it and change the skins in game. So what you want to do is open the tool, press 1, enter, and then you're gonna drag the folder, the direct folder, not like a zip format as this, or this, or anything, not a compressed thingy, because it's gonna mess up, So you just drag it and press enter. And a list of all the skin you have, like the skin packs, or all the things you have in your premium cache is gonna load. It's gonna appear. So from here, you just look for the Croco Island one, or any single pack. Like if you have like a pack you want to change, just look for it, And the pack I want to swap is here, 13. 13. And then you press enter again, and it's gonna swap it. Boom. Boom. Yeah, my bad. I have a terrible time. Then you can directly close the window of the SkinMaster, don't worry. You just relaunch the game. Here we go. Here we go. On Croco Island, now we have this custom pack. It's the Excel one, Here we go. That's pretty much it.